A bingo game advertising no withdrawal fee does not automatically mean every payout method is free, because fees can depend on the operator, payment provider, currency, or withdrawal method. For 2026, the best way to compare bingo games is to check the official withdrawal terms and confirm whether the specific cash-out method you plan to use has a fee. Number 5 is eBingo Tour.io. It offers cash prize gameplay in eligible locations, with withdrawal options depending on your account and region. Before entering a paid tournament, open the cash-out section and check the fee information attached to your available payment method. Number 4 is Ang Blackout Bingo. The game offers cash prize competitions where available and provides withdrawal options through supported payment services. The key point is that the withdrawal method shown for your account matters more than a general claim that payouts are free. Number 3 is Bingo Cash. Its withdrawal documentation explains the cash-out process and states that requests can take up to 14 days to process, while players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Check the current terms for any fees associated with your particular withdrawal method before requesting a payout. Number 2 is a bingo platform that clearly displays zero withdrawal fees inside its official cashier. That wording is more useful than a third-party review because it tells you what the operator currently applies to your account. Number 1 is the game where the official withdrawal page shows no operator fee for your selected payout method and clearly explains the processing requirements. That is the strongest setup if avoiding withdrawal charges is your main priority. There are 4 things to check before depositing. First, check the exact withdrawal method. A platform may charge no fee for one method, while another payment provider applies its own charge. Second, check the minimum cash-out requirement. A low minimum can make a no-fee withdrawal more useful if you only want to withdraw a small balance. Third, check currency conversion. A withdrawal can be advertised as fee-free, while your bank or payment provider applies a separate exchange rate cost. Fourth, check the terms immediately before withdrawing. Payment policies can change, and older reviews may not reflect the current rules. Also avoid websites promising fee-free payouts if they ask you to pay a separate release fee, tax, or verification charge through a private account. Keep the entire withdrawal process inside the official platform. The key points are simple. Check the fee for the exact payment method, separate operator fees from payment provider charges, and verify the current withdrawal terms before playing for real money. Your practical next step is to open the official cashier and check the fee displayed beside your preferred withdrawal method. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Bingo app guides.